Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to send PDF file in Facebook Messenger. If you are using Facebook Messenger and you want to send PDF files, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply install another app which is called Google Docs. As I have already installed it, you just have to simply go to Play Store or App Store and you have to simply search for Google Docs and you will get the app. So once you have installed this app, you just have to tap on this open option and the app will be open. Here I have a document that I'm going to share this. You can also create a new document or you can add new documents here. So just tap on the three dots, tap on the send a copy option, select in which way you want to send, if you want to send a PDF or as Word. So I'm going to select PDF here, just tap on OK option. It will prepare as a PDF. Now scroll and look for Messenger app. Select Messenger. Select the person with which you want to share. Just tap on send option. And once you have tapped, this will be sent. So in this way, you can easily send a PDF file to Facebook Messenger. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.